Hi, welcome back, friends. This is Mrs. Maldonado. I have another first grade virtual summer lesson for you, and we are on lesson number 28. So today, boys and girls, we are going to be working in math, and we are going to be learning about writing, how to write each word for each number. So in this page, we are going to match each word to the correct number. Okay, so the first one we see here. Okay, I am going to read the words on the right side. We have 10, 8, 5, 9, 7, and 6. Okay, and then we have the numbers on the left side. Okay, so we are going to match it with the word 5. Okay, 5 with 5. Okay, 6 starts with a S. So what letter is that? It's a S. That's an I because there are two S's. Okay, the next number is a 7, so we need to find a word that starts with a S-E. Okay, there we go. Next number is an 8. 8, boys and girls, it's a little tricky because the number 8 starts with an E. And it kind of sounds like an A, but it's actually the EI that makes the A sound. E-I-G-H, A, that says A. All right, the next number that we have is the number 9. 9 starts with a N, so we are looking for a N9. Last number that we are going to match is the 10. We are going to look for a word that starts with a T. 10. Very good. So now let's go to our next page. How do you write the 9 with a word? I. Okay, so this silent E is going to help the I say its name, and we spell it N-I-N-E. Okay. How do you write 7 with the word? S-E-V-E-N. 7. So here's how we write 7 with a word. Okay, we have to listen to all the sounds within the word. Okay, so this is the, how do you write 8 with the word? This is the tricky one. Okay, remember I told you A is not actually a letter A. It's actually E-I-G-H. That says A. Okay, and then we have T, and that's how we spell the number 8. E-I-G-H-T. Remember the E-I-G-H have the A sound. How do you write 5 with the word? I-V. And then the silent E is going to help the I say its name. It's going to help it say I, because if we just write F-I-V, that's fiv. So we need the I to help it say I. Okay? F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, how do you write 6 with the word? S-I-X. 6. Okay, S-I-X. 6. Okay, next one. What is this number? Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to find what number that is. Okay, well, let's count the blocks. Usually when we see blocks like this, usually it's a 10. It's a tens frame because remember a tens frame, for the most part, we know that it is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We usually see the tens frame horizontally, not vertically, boys and girls, but this is also a tens frame. So let's count the blocks within this these two lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what we have here. And then we have the other 5 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then one more would be 11. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. So what is this number? The number is 11. What is this number? Remember, this represents 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we have 11, 12. So let's count. 10 plus, we have 1, 2, equals 12. So we have 12 for this set of blocks. What is this number? Again, this represents 10. We'll count just to make sure. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we have 11, 12, 13. So we have 10 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 13. So 10 that we have in the tens frame, and then we add 10 more. We are counting on 10, and then we count 11, 12, 13. That's counting on. Make the number 12 using blocks. So remember, this represents 10, and this represents 1. So I am going to make a tens frame. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to make 1, 2. So let's count and see if I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I do. So I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. So I have my 10 here, 11, and 12. Okay? Make the number 14 using blocks. Okay, so I'm going to have my 10, my tens frame. And boys and girls, I make 4 lines because that makes it 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 on each side, 5 here and 5 here. But I'm going to count on. After 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because after 10, I have 11, 12, 13, and 14. So my equation would be 10 plus 4 equals 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the 4 there. Okay, 10 plus 4 equals 14. Remember, the tens frame is 10, and then each extra block makes it 1 more. Make the number 11 using blocks. Okay, so let's make our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 more. That's going to make it 11. So I have 10 plus 1 equals 11. So I have just one, the one here, that is the one that I'm adding to the 10 to get my 11 blocks. Make the number 13 using blocks. Okay, so I have my tens frame. Remember that I'm going to make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Because after 10 I have 11, 12, 13. So my equation is going to be 10 plus 3 equals 13 because I have 1, 2, 3. That's the 3 that I'm adding to my tens frame to get my 13. Okay, boys and girls, so now it is your turn to go into MobyMax. Okay, you're going to log into www.mobymax.com. Okay, and then we're going to go to step number 1. Step number 1, once you log into mobymax.com, you're going to click the orange sign in button. Okay, then we go to step number 2. Make sure you are logged in, you're signing in as a student. And then, boys and girls, you are going to go to school name And on step number 3, you are going to type Guadalupe Center. Okay, Guadalupe, finger space. You're going to leave a space and then type center. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click find. And then under school, you'll see that Guadalupe Center is going to populate. It's going to pop up. We are going to go to step number 4. You're going to click on Guadalupe Center. Click on it. Okay, and then you're going to go to step 4. Double check that you're in as a student and double check that you're in as Guadalupe Center. Okay, go to step number 5. Click on the books. And then once you go to the books, go to step number 6. You're going to click on math. And the math, boys and girls, the lesson, it might be similar to the one I just did, or it might be something a little different. It could either be a review or it could be a new lesson for you. All right, boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed our math lesson for today. Now let's get up and get moving.
With Blazer Fresh, got my boy Xavier, got my boy Machine.
What's up, man?
Oh, get that right. So we gonna make it happen. Y'all ready, world? We got some dance moves for y'all. This is from a dance style called Light Feet, which is born in Harlem, just like me. All right? So we're going to start off with a popular dance called the original Harlem Shake. So get your shoulders ready, and let's do it. So we're going to start with the first moves. It's more upper body movement. So we're going to do like a scoop likeness with the arm and throw our shoulder up in this manner, like this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so we're gonna try it again. You guys ready?
I got it.
Ready to do it again? Got it? Okay, so we scoop, boom, scoop, shoulder, scoop, shoulder. All right, so you're probably wondering what you want to do with your legs. You're gonna move your feet in a marching like manner. So it's gonna be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's just for the feet. Remember what I said about the shoulders. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? Now we're going to put it together. We're going to move the shoulder, we're going to do the scoop, and the step, all in one motion. You guys ready? Let's do it.
Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're getting it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nice.
All right. Not so bad, right? Let's try some music, guys, shall we? Let's make it happen. DJ Robbie Fresh. Throw that beat on. Sound like something we did before. Yeah, let's start with the legs. We can start with the legs. We can start with the legs like this. All right? Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's have some fun with it. Hey. This one is called the Tone Wop.
Tone one.
Tone wop. Tone to the tone to tone to tone wop.
Yeah.
All right. So this is another simple, basic step that you can really liven up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our feet movement. Just gonna do a step, twist, back. All right. So it's a step, twist, back. So in a more faster motion, it's like this. Step, twist, 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 step, twist. All right, now that's the bottom motion. Top motion, when you twist, you're gonna bring your arms out and bring it in for a snap. Arms out and bring it in for a snap. Arms out and bring it in for a snap. Arms out and bring it in for a snap. So let's see how we can put that together. You ready?
Let's get it.
1, 2, 3, let's go. Step, twist, snap. 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 Perfect. You like
I
that?
think you can add some seasoning to that.
Yeah?
Let's go.
You like that?
Let's get it.
Let's try to put it to some music and see how it looks when it's in real time.
Robbie Rob.
Let's do it. DJ Robbie Fresh.
Robbie Fresh.
Make it happen.
Oh, it's on my face. Give a little bell.
Y'all know this one.
I like that one. You like this one too? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Step, twist, snap, step, twist, snap, step, twist, snap, step, twist, snap. Okay, step, twist, snap, step, twist, snap, step, twist, snap, step, twist, snap. Let's go with it. Keep on rocking with the hey, tone rock now. You getting it now? Oh, I see you. I see you getting nice. Now we can spice it up. We can spice it up. Switch it. Next one, we can switch it. Spice it up. You can switch, switch, take your foot with a hop, jump, hey, with a hop, you can, hey, you can hop over head with
She might see you over there.
yeah, I see you got your thing going, bro.
Next up.
So that's called the tone wop. Don't be afraid to really jump around and get that going. All right, let's take it to Brooklyn, shall we?
Ooh.
This one comes from Brooklyn right here. This is called the Millie Rock. Now,
What?
the Millie Rock
On what?
any block.
The Millie what?
Rock
On who? On any block.
The Millie
Rock.
on what?
Any block.
Millie Rock
On
any block,
Any
kids.
block.
That's right. Okay, so even though Light Feet comes from Harlem, it's spread in the whole New York City. It's spread it out to the whole New York City. And so Brooklyn brought this great dance move called the Millie Rock. And so now it's incorporated into the movement, and this is how it goes. It's another scoop-like movement, but this time it's a little bit more simpler, and you're just gonna move your body with a scoop. So we scoop, then we move our body, we scoop, and then we move our body, we scoop, and we move our body, we scoop, and we move our body. All right?
Got you. I like
You got it?
Smooth.
You got it? You was killing it. Practice the other day. Hey, look out, man.
Make sure.
Right. Okay, so let's get some music going, and let's see how the Millie Rock look in real lifetime. Let's go. Let's go. Scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body. Let's do it. One more time. Body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop, body, scoop. Again, scoop, body, scoop. Hey, scoop, scoop, body. You can. Okay. Let's turn it up a little bit. Y'all wanna turn it up? Let's do it. With this, with the, Woo! Okay. Let's go. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Throw it to me. Hey, that's yours. Oh! Hey! All right. DJ. My man, awesome. And that is Blazer Fresh, baby. Blazer Fresh, baby. Put it all together now. Yeah, let's make it happen, man. Let's do it.
I know you like it. DJ Robbie Rob.
Let's do that. Drop the pin. You ready? You can scream it out when you do it too.
A lot of flavor.
Like this.
Yeah. Hey.
All the shit, hey, all the shit, hey, tone wop, hey, tone wop, Millie Rock, Millie Rock, hey, all them shit, then you do the tone wop, hey, all them shit, hey, all them shit, tone wop, hey, tone wop, Millie Rock, all them shit, then you do the tone wop, hey, all them shit, hey, all them shit, hey, tone wop, get tone wop.
shit, nigga. Toe wop. Hey, hey, get it. Hey, show 'em. Where you from, man? Get it. Freestyle. Get him. Hey, hey, toe wop. Hey, hey, hey. Lock it out. Yes. Toe wop, hey, toe wop. Billy rock, Billy rock. All shit, pull to the toe wop. All shit, oh yeah, toe wop, Billy rock, and I Billy rock. All of them shit, then they hit the toe wop. Hey. Yo, yes, you rockin' with Blazer Fresh. Hold on, what are we doing? You rockin' with Blazer Fresh, baby.